Let us start by knowing the meaning of the word salt. So, learner, what is the meaning of this word salt? So, a salt can be defined as follows. So, a salt can be defined as a compound that is formed when hydrogen ions from an acid are wholly or partially replaced by a positive ion. For example, if you look at this equation here, if you react, for example, a zinc metal with hydrochloric acid, you'll realize that zinc will react and the product will be zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. So, Lana, we are saying that this hydrogen ion in the acid has been replaced by the positive ion, and the positive ion is zinc. As a result, the product formed is called zinc chloride, and this zinc chloride is what we are calling a salt. So, from the definition, we are saying a salt is a compound formed when this hydrogen ion from the acid is replaced by this positive ion or a metal. So, as a result, the product that we are forming is called zinc chloride, and that is our salt. So, let's now move on by looking at types of salt. So, we have said a salt is defined as a compound formed when hydrogen ions from an acid are wholly or partially replaced by a positive ion. So, a positive ion is also called a cation, which can be a metal, like for example, the example we have used above there. So, next up,